Guys, my name is Sakshi and today I'm heading towards west side and मैंने ये इसलिए vlog कर रही हूँ because we are not able to go anywhere, हम travel भी नहीं कर पा रहे. So I thought that जो भी मैं आज record करूँगी and like मेरे जो channel है, it's all about beauty, fashion. So I'll just cover it up and show you guys that mall. बहुत अच्छा है वो and like whatever you want, like जो भी चीज़ें चाहिए होती है हमें daily wears and like everything, तो हम लोग वहाँ से ख़रीद सकते हैं. It's very exciting to be honest and मैं वहाँ से ही shopping करती हूँ. So I thought that I should take you guys over there. So yeah, I'm going there. The place I was talking about, it's very famous for clothes and especially traditional clothes and suits over here, and it's amazing. So yeah, we'll go and do some shopping. On this, I'm finding it really pretty, but then I'll see my size. So yeah, I'll take it. I'm also liking these jackets. They are very fashionable. So yeah, let's see how it looks. As you know, you have to buy everything expensive. There are t-shirts over here and it's only rupees 4.99. So yeah, excited. Yeah, I love this one. Possible. Whatever you want, forever, famous. Very cool t-shirts in just rupees 4.99. And ये मेरा bag है जिसमें मैं चीज़ें भरती जा रही हूँ जो मुझे चाहिए. So yeah, let's see what will go in my bag from here. I will take this one because I think it's very catchy. It's such a famous over here. So yeah, it's also going in my bag. Someone जिसको ट्रेडिशनल कपड़े काफ़ी पसंद हैं तो आप यहाँ पे डेफिनेटली आओ, बट मुझे ज़्यादा ट्रेडिशनल अच्छे नहीं लगते. बट या आई एम थिंकिंग टू पिक अ सूट. लेट्स सी अगर कोई मुझे अच्छा लगता है बाय एनी चांस. तो या बट यहाँ पे बहुत एक्चुअली में अच्छे लगते हैं. मेरी सिस्टर्स भी यहाँ से ही लेके जाती हैं. तो या वो भी लेना था यहाँ से, वो मैंने ले लिया है. And अब मैं जाऊँगी ऊपर and I think that's a gym area. So yeah, let's go. Here we go upstairs. I'm telling you, it's very nice. अगर आप नहीं आए हो कभी तो यहाँ से शॉपिंग पक्का करना. मैं कि गाइस के ऊपर कोई मैं वीडियो नहीं बनाती. So here's it. मैं मेन सेक्शन में आ गई हूँ and मुझे पता ही नहीं था, like I completely forgot. But yeah, I do come here, to take things for gym. So okay, so today is men's day, so I'll just make you see some of the stuff you can get for men. So guys, मुझे ये शर्ट्स बहुत अच्छी लगती हैं, जिसमें कॉलर अप्स होते हैं. I really like it. So I don't know about you guys, but yeah, it's completely your choice, whichever you like. I'm definitely not buying these for you, but yeah, you can have a look and come to a side. Yay. Oh, I really like this one. This one actually looks sexy. This color looks sexy, guys. So I think this is the one I really like, and yeah, this is hot. It's at home. There are so many things over here. मैं kids section दिखा देती हूँ आपको. Such cute shoes for boys and girls. It's so cute, The home decor, which is my favorite. I'm really liking this for home decor, and I'm definitely taking it for my home. So yeah, this one is done. Try something from here. I have to be a bit careful here with the camera because कुछ भी टूट फूट गया तो मुझे उसका बिल भरना पड़ेगा. So yeah, today I'm gonna take something from here. So guys, there are such amazing marks over here, and I really like this one. It says every day is a fashion show in the world is your runaway. Yeah, I like this one, so I'll be checking this one. Everything will be in my bag now. I'm thinking that perfume भी ले लेती हूँ. So yeah, let's test first कि कौन सा ज़्यादा अच्छा है. So yeah, smells like strawberry, so I'm gonna take this. I'm loving it. So yeah, अभी तक बहुत ही अमेजिंग एक्सपीरियंस रहा है. एंड अभी मैं नीचे जाऊंगी, थोड़ी एक्सेसरीज भी लूँगी, एंड वी कैन नॉट डू विदाउट मास्क एनीथिंग. So yeah, I like these ones, but I'm already having it. There are really cute clips over here, and I'm gonna check this out. And also, I really want to take this. So yeah, I'll try this as well. Fun! You should come over here. Glasses. So I'm thinking to take these because they look sexy actually. मैंने अभी आप लोगों को कुछ भी नहीं दिखाया, by the way. Like there you can actually get some lingeries as well. So yeah, देखेंगे, वो भी देखेंगे. Don't worry. Wear it like this only, but I think it looks very classy on me. Yeah. So I'll be definitely taking this. This is going home for me. There's such a fantastic collection of jewelry over here. Just see this one is looking so sexy. I mean, for parties and all. Or just rupees 199. So I'll be actually taking it. But I'm actually loving it so much. And you guys know like how much I'm into fashion and beauty. So yeah, I'm liking this one out of all. तो गाइस, सबसे पहले मैंने ये ग्लासेस लिए, एंड दे आर वेरी क्लासी, एंड इसका कॉस्ट था ₹499, एंड आई एम रियली लविंग इट. गाइस, ये क्रॉप टॉप लाइक सूट्स मी लाइक एनीथिंग, तो मैंने इसको ज़रूर लिया वहाँ से. इट्स फॉर 1000 रुपीज़. गाइस, एक छोटा सा क्यूट सा परफ्यूम लिया मैंने वहाँ से, एंड इट स्मेल्स सो गुड लाइक स्ट्रॉबेरी. So guys, on this t-shirt it's written famous, and I think that's really catchy, and the color also looks lovely on my face if you can see. So yeah, I just love it, and it is for only ₹499. Guys, जो mug मैंने लिया है, it is so good. It says every day is a fashion show and the world is your runway. So it's really nice. एंड फिर मैंने ये ली होम डेकोर के लिए ये लिया एंड इट हैज़ पेबल्स इन इट, तो मुझे बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल लगा, बिल्कुल ही अलग लगा। आफ्टर दैट आई गॉट दिस, इट इज़ वेरी सेक्सी आई फील, एंड घर पे मैं एक्सरसाइज वगैरह करती हूँ तो मैंने इसके लिए लिया। एंड ये 799 में मुझे मिल गया। So guys, I hope you liked the vlog